Hello guys, my name is Michael and welcome to a new tutorial where we're going to compile and install GTK4 in our Linux Mint version 20.1. Until now we saw how we can set environment, Mason, glib, ragel, and in the last video we saw how gobject-introspection get compiled. Let me mark it as done, and of course let us check it if it's working. Package minus config minus libs, and then we need of course the gobject minus introspective, I think introspection, sorry, introspection minus 1.0. and as you can see it says it is not there, and that is because, like I told you and I'm going to tell you again in every video, we need to set first our environment. So source set environment, and now if we call it again package config minus libs, it says right here, as you can see, everything works fine. And the same story goes for our C flags as well, and yes, there you go, we have our C flags as well working. Because everything works fine, I'm going to clean and I'm not going to close the terminal because I need to set the environment again. And the next one, it will be the Pango. Now the Pango, before we install it, we need to install some other libraries which are needed for Pango to get compiled. So let me do it right now. It is like 60.7 megabyte, which is quite fast. And the next thing which we are going to do after the Pango gets its dependency installed, the needed libraries, then we can proceed with building and installing Pango, the latest version. Now I'm going to create a folder for it, of course. And the next thing which we need is to change inside that directory. And now before we proceed, let me check which one it is the last version available, because now we have 1.48.1, and here says the last one, it is 1.482. okay, you see, we have a new version. So I'm going to copy this location, I'm going to change it with this one. The next thing is here, I'm going to set it to 2, and here again. And now let me hold, or let me get, with the help of get the latest Pango. Now I'm going to close this one because we don't need it. The next thing which we need to extract it with the help of tar. Now we are going to move inside the folder, copy, and the next thing which we need to call Mason on it, which looks fine. As you can see, the only dependency which are not installed right now are Cairo, Win32 and Quartz, which we are not going to use them. Okay, now because everything get clear, let us build it with the Ninja, which should go also fast enough. Yes, we're almost there. That's the thing which I'm not quite sure why it's not working, because based on this information it should work, but I'm going to show you how I fix it. So I'm going to call Ninja. You see, it doesn't find it, and it is quite okay. Now I messed it a little bit. Let me copy again, and let me call the Ninja build, which is oh, sorry guys, I need to call install, and once that I'm going to install it, when it's done, basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to call the mason again and repeat the process. Now it's not working because I need to call the setup wipe. So I'm going to introduce this one as well because we are building again. And then you will see that the error is gone, and it is it's going to find that missing file at this point. So we are basically compiling it again. A little bit more. And as you can see, everything looks good now. And now I'm going to call the Ninja C install again on it. And now we are done. Let me close the terminal. I'm going to open my home folder, USR, include, and we have Pango right here, Pango -1.0, which is the Pango information which it didn't found it before. It is quite clear in the package config inside. If we go now and search for the Pango, you see it is right here, which means everything works fine as expected. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.